For this week's discussion, I'll be discussing topic 4. What do you think would be the most effective means of providing that training so that the participants get it and follow the organization's copyright policy? The United States copyright law is extensive and has many intricacies to protect the intellectual ideals of the author of published works. According to Simonson et al. 2012, the United States copyright law is continuously revised. Along with the constant flux to the copyright law, the Digital Millennium Copyright Act, DMCA, and the Technology Education and Copyright Harmonization, TEACH Act, levy additional copyright requirements on educators. In addition to being the professionally ethical thing to do, copyright violations can be costly to educational institutions, so it is important that educators are properly trained on copyright requirements. Workshops, faculty meetings, frequently asked questions, or faculty newsletter are a few of the avenues available for delivering copyright law training. Simonson et al. 2012. These are all viable options, but they do have their limitations. Workshops and faculty meetings could place the educators in a passive role, and they could zone out and not pay attention to the material. There is no guarantee that faculty would read a newsletter article or frequently asked questions site. If I were designing training for my organization, I would go with a computer-based interactive lesson. Computer-based training is more student-centered learning and would place the student in a more active role and increase their mastery of the copyright law course materials. Simonson et al. 2012. In addition to a computer-based training module, I would regularly publish articles in the newsletter focusing on a specific tenet, fair use, duration of copyrights, public domain, etc. of the Act.